Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megha Grover and recently I went to the shop to purchase the Slate pencil and please ignore the voice behind me. And it cost me around 10 rupees. And now I'm unboxing the box. And you can see it only contain I guess 20 Slate pencil and it cost me around 10 rupees. He made me a fool I guess. Before going to the shop, I thought to buy them from online. Flipkart or Amazon was an option, but the price was very high, 200 rupees and 50 to 60 rupees delivery charges. So I went to the shop and I would suggest you not to waste your money. Some people are also selling it online on YouTube, India Mart and many other sites. Please don't waste your money. It's just a piece of waste shit. Please don't buy them.